Now, if you've been looking for the perfect combination of massive interior space and classic Henderson outdoor lifestyle, you've just found it. We're in the Paradise Point community with over 3,700 square feet of living space. This home has it all. We're about to see it right now. You got some nice outdoor patio space here with the swing. Check out the mountain views. Welcome to our newest listing at 67 Crescent Palm Court. You guys want to see the inside of this one? Let's go. So I'm excited to show you a home that really captures what people love about living in this part of the valley. Space, comfort, and incredible access to the outdoors. So one of the things that makes this home especially practical is a flexible floor plan. There's a bedroom and full bathroom downstairs that works perfectly for guests, extended family, or even a private home office. And this recently updated, beautiful kitchen. Take a look. Check out this massive loft that's used for a game room. So another big highlight of this location is the lifestyle just outside your door. The home sits right next to Paradise Point Park, and just minutes away is the McCullough Hills Trail System in Sloan Canyon National Conservation Area. These trails run through miles of desert landscape and mountain ridges with sweeping views of the Las Vegas Valley, making them a favorite spot for hiking, biking, and exploring the outdoors. So thanks for coming on the tour with us of this beautiful Paradise Point home right here in Henderson. And if you want to know more information about this property, click the link below. We'll set you up with a private tour. And if you like this video, check out some of these properties right here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming along.